Hey everyone, and welcome back. Have you ever looked at the ocean and felt that deep, primal fear? That feeling that maybe, just maybe, the sea wants you gone? Well, today we're diving into the three most absolutely horrifying stretches of water on planet Earth. These are the spots that even professional captains pray they never have to encounter. Trust me, these aren't your typical beach waves. We're talking about the aquatic equivalent of the final boss. First up, let's talk about the absolute legend of marine terror. The Drake Passage. If you've heard of this place, you know its reputation. This is the narrow, chaotic strip of water that separates the bottom tip of South America from the massive chill of Antarctica. Why is it so bad? Simple geography. There is zero landmass anywhere along the 600 miles of this channel to stop the wind and the currents. The water flowing around the planet gets squeezed through here, creating a literal washing machine effect. We're not talking little white, we're talking 20-meter wave stats, over 65 feet. The winds here are legendary, whipping up into an untamed fury. It's so violent that professional mariners have dubbed it the most dreaded journey in the world. People who cross the Drake Passage often talk about the Drake Shake, a few days of constant, violent tossing that makes life on board utterly impossible. If you want to test your mettle, or just your stomach, this is where you go. But maybe massive storms aren't enough for you. Maybe you prefer a giant, overwhelming wall of water. In that case, we head east to Portugal, to the legendary surfing spot of Nazare. Now, calling Nazare a surfing spot is like calling the Grand Canyon a ditch. This is where the world record for the largest wave ever ridden was set, a mind-boggling 33.5 meters, or 110 feet. This isn't just luck, it's geology. Right off the coast of Nazare lies a massive underwater canyon, nearly 5 kilometers deep. Think of it as a huge funnel that channels the ocean's energy, taking normal Atlantic swells and ramping them up into colossal, skyscraper-sized liquid mountains. The energy hitting that shallow shelf is amplified exponentially, turning what would be big waves into terrifying, destructive forces. Nazare is the proving ground for the bravest big wave surfers in the world. But for anyone else, looking at that kind of power is enough to give you permanent anxiety. Finally, let's talk about the ring of ice and fire. The Southern Ocean. This vast, frigid body of water encircles Antarctica, acting as the planet's ice bath. If the Drake Passage is a specific bad stretch, the Southern Ocean is a non-stop, global marathon of misery. It's infamous for its endless belt of storms, frigid temperatures, and swells that regularly hit 24 meters, or nearly 80 feet. The winds here are often referred to as the furious 50s and screaming 60s. Due to the latitude lines where they are strongest, there's nothing to slow them down, creating waves that are not just tall, but incredibly long, capable of lifting an entire ship like a bathtub toy. Even NASA satellites, studying the sheer power being exerted by these waters, have described the force they observed as simply terrifying. It's cold, it's angry, and it truly is the end of the line for marine survival. So there you have it. 3 places where the ocean shows us exactly who's boss. Whether it's the chaotic Drake Passage, the monolithic waves of Nazare, or the relentless fury of the Southern Ocean. These spots remind us that sometimes humanity is just a guest in nature's house. Let me know in the comments which one of these terrified you the most. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into our amazing planet.